Boys, let's listen. Jose Baez and team, here they go.
Ladies first. Just step up to the mic. Just step up to the mic. Shane? Just step up to the mic.
Excuse me?
Just step up to the mic.
I didn't hear the magic word.
Please,
Come on, all of you. Ask one of your lawyers, smarties, what the word is. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready, Jackie?
Yeah, thank you.
My name is Dorothy Sims, and I am thankful for today's verdict on behalf of Casey Anthony and on behalf of all of the people that stand behind me. And I would ask them to name their names, please.
Corrine.
William Slavel.
Michelle Medina.
Elizabeth Fryer.
Shanine Barrett.
Saleh Yusuf.
Shakima Wallace.
Shirley Mason.
Diana Marcoux.
Marcin Lewandowski.
Yeah. Well, I hope that this is a lesson to those of you who have indulged in media assassination for 3 years, bias and prejudice and incompetent talking heads saying what would be and how to be. I'm disgusted by some of the lawyers that have done this, and I can tell you that my colleagues from coast to coast and border to border have condemned this whole process of lawyers getting on television and talking about cases that they don't know a damn thing about and don't have the experience to back up their words or the law to do it. Now you've learned a lesson. And we appreciate the jury. Those of you that have been objective and professional, we like it. Others, we're going to be talking to again. Thank you very much.
I want to start off by saying that while we're happy for Casey, there are no winners in this case. Kaylee has passed on far, far too soon. And what my driving force has been for the last 3 years has been always to make sure that there has been justice for Kaylee and Casey. Because Casey did not murder Kaylee. It's that simple. And today, our system of justice has not dishonored her memory by a false conviction. I want to thank everyone who stood behind me and who supported me throughout this time, and especially the man who took me under his wing and made sure that I stayed focused and that we continued to work hard and that we continued to fight and battle. It really is, I really do have mixed feelings over the whole situation for those facts. This case has brought on new challenges for all of us. Challenges in the criminal justice system, challenges in the media, and I think we should all take this as an opportunity to learn and to realize that you cannot convict someone until they've had their day in court. We have the greatest constitution in the world, and if the media and other members of the public do not respect it, it will become meaningless. And today and yesterday on the 4th of July, there was a breath of life in it. And I think I want to also acknowledge the prosecutors who worked hard for justice as well. I think they are a fine group of prosecutors. Linda Drain Burdick is an incredible adversary. And I think that she's certainly one of the best lawyers I've ever seen. Frank George also was a very important member of that team that really held them together and made them very cohesive, a cohesive unit. And Mr. Ashton is a fierce opponent. And I think that the state of Florida, all three of them serve the state of Florida very well. As I said, I'm not I'm very happy for Casey. I'm ecstatic for her, and I want her to be able to grieve and grow and somehow get her life back together. I think that this case is a perfect example of why the death penalty does not work and why we all need to stop and look and think twice about a country that decides to kill its own citizens. Murder's not right, no matter who does it. Whether it's a ritual killing or someone becoming a victim in a drive-by shooting. It's disgusting. And I think if this case gets any attention, it should focus on that issue, that we need to stop trying to kill our people. The best feeling that I have today is that I know I can go home and my daughter will ask me, "What did you do today?" And I can say I saved a life.